Salt dough, sculptures, instructions, overview. Combine 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup table salt, and 1 cup water. Add a little extra water if needed. Mix the dry ingredients, slowly add the water, and knead for 5 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and firm. Bake your creations at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius, for 2 to 4 hours until fully dry. 1, 2, 3, 4, detailed recipe and instructions. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup fine table salt, 1 cup water, optional. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, helps create a smoother dough and prevents sticking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix. Combine the flour and salt in a large mixing bowl. If using vegetable oil, mix it into the water first, then gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients while stirring. Flour-salt-water ratio 2:1:1. Knead. Turn the mixture out onto a lightly floured surface and knead vigorously for 5 to 10 minutes. The dough should reach a smooth, elastic, and firm play dough-like consistency. Shape. Roll or sculpt the dough into your desired shapes. Use cookie cutters, stamps, or household tools to add textures. Drying and baking. Bake. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius. Bake for 2 to 4 hours depending on the thickness of your pieces. Flip the creations halfway through to ensure both sides dry evenly. Air dry. Alternatively, you can air dry the pieces. Place them on a wire rack or baking sheet and allow them to dry for 2 to 4 days. Note: big and thick pieces more than 1/2 inch thick might never dry inside, or can be crumbly. Color, decorate or enamel if you want.